Ceramics have a special material. Therefore, it has been favored by many customers. But look for the right ceramic material. But it's a problem. Mingui ceramics can provide alumina, zirconia, silicon nitride, silicon carbide, these four categories. Today we first learned about alumina and zirconia. Zirconia is a highly tough material. It also has excellent thermal insulation and hinge hardness. This makes it widely used in pumps and valves. For example, ceramic plungers, ceramic dispensing valves. Zirconia is cost-effective. Widely used ceramic materials. Alumina has a high thermal conductivity, and the cost of raw materials is relatively low. It is usually used in high-temperature bearings. In the semiconductor field, it needs to be used in conjunction with the actual environment and the characteristics of different materials. Follow me to take you learn more about ceramics.